God is never too late. What if the delay you're experiencing is not God's rejection, but God's preparation? One of the hardest seasons in life is waiting. Waiting for a breakthrough. Waiting for healing. Waiting for a job. Waiting for a relationship. Waiting for an answer to a prayer that seems to echo back in silence. And during that waiting, the enemy whispers, "God has forgotten you." But the Bible tells a different story. In John chapter 11, Lazarus became sick, and his sisters sent a message to Jesus. They believed that if Jesus came quickly, everything would be fine. But Jesus waited. By the time he arrived, Lazarus had been dead for 4 days. To Martha and Mary, it was over. Their hope had been buried with their brother. Martha said, "Lord, if you had been here, my brother would not have died." Have you ever prayed a prayer like that? "Lord, if you had answered sooner. Lord, if you had opened that door. Lord, if you had changed my situation." But Jesus was not late. He was working on a greater purpose. Standing before the tomb, Jesus called, "Lazarus, come out." And the man who had been dead walked out alive. The miracle happened after everyone thought it was impossible. That is the power of God's timing. Sometimes God allows a delay because He wants to reveal His glory in a way that could never happen if everything worked according to our schedule. Ecclesiastes 3 verse 11 says, "He has made everything beautiful in its time." Notice it says His time, not our time. Think of a seed planted in the ground. For a while, nothing seems to happen. But beneath the surface, roots are growing. The delay is not death, it is development. Maybe today you feel like you're standing in front of a closed tomb. A dream has died. A relationship has ended. A prayer remains unanswered. Don't lose hope. God can resurrect what looks impossible. He is not limited by deadlines, disappointments, or human expectations. Keep praying when you don't see results. Keep trusting when you don't understand. Keep believing when everything tells you to quit, because God has never been late in fulfilling His purpose. Your breakthrough may be closer than you think. Remember this: God is never too late. He is always right on time.